ping.cjestrada. Welcome back to my channel. So today is the day. Today is March 27, 2023, and it will be my first time to travel outside Visayas. And also, this is my first time going home to ILIGAN City after the pandemic, or since the pandemic started. For sure, there are many things that has changed, so I'm gonna take you there. But first, I already booked my ticket in Cokaliong Shipping, and it costs 1,600 for tourist accommodation, good for one. And yes, so the ferry will depart at 7 p.m. and time check it's 4:28. So I better get going because the weather is not good and the traffic is horrible here in the Cebu City. So before that, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Peace and love. Let's go. Hi guys, so I'm here already at Pier Uno, and good thing the rain stopped already. So I'm just gonna go inside the pier. Let's go. So I just arrived inside the terminal and I need to figure out where I will board. Saan nga? Wondering sa ferries? Ha? Gate 4? Salamat. Gate 4 daw. Dara gate 4. Balik, layo ba? Cokaliong?
Sir, tourist iligan sir. Islet lang sir. Yan ang likod sa kantin nga side.
Pick up pa rin. The struggle is real. Adoro. ID. Teman. Hey guys, sumoto ako accommodation pati Gamaya. I think bag-o ni nga barko ang kaning Filipinas Mindanao kay usually Filipinas dapitan na kung kan. Pero ato ta mo i-tour around here while mangita ko kanan. Usually na roof deck ang Cokaliong Shipping. So ato try check it na by kanang roof deck. Let's go. Kita dere pero weird kay walay sun deck. Pero ko mo niyo. Pero off limits siya. So hanggang dito lang tayo guys. Maghahanap tayo na we'll find a place on to eat kay for 6 p.m. So the boat is set to sail at 7, and I don't know if it's going to have any delays because usually ferries like this have like slight delay, but hopefully wala, and hopefully the weather will be good kaya it's gonna be a wavy ride, as you can see on the clouds there. Kaya pagkakaayo, my god, narapon. So moto siya panay, dalam pagkaon na. Hey guys, so we are already here at Ozami's port. It's around 4:50 a.m. and actually the ferry arrived here around 4 or 3. Held that gusto kayong balon dito sa may secure siguro, as in like ano ko kalipong kaya, pero mayo kay wala na ko nagsuka. So, ang kaning iligan nga route kay buhagi gid siya ko sa amin. So, I asked the crew earlier. 7:30 na siya mo depart. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go out to look for something to eat because I'm hungry. So, yeah, let's go. Trans Asia. Ewan na Cokaliong. Kisrada pang Jollibee. Time check. Alas 5. May able. I guess. Wala pa lang ako pa. Balik. Straight on naman eh. Pabalik sa port. OMG. Ang ngit-ngit. Na. Sige. Keep sa akong cellphone guys. Hi guys. So I'm back here at the boat. And I only bought water. Natag 30 pesos. So aray na lang po sa cafeteria ko. Palit o mag-or mas kumahal. Kaya siradong ng Jollibee. Alas 5 pang said no. So mukha na lang po. Niya matulog na yun. Kaya kilo pa ako. So see you guys in ILIGAN later. Hey guys, sorry I didn't vlog this again kay balik kay natulog ko lang ko after I went out. So we're already approaching ILIGAN City. Actually, ang kana siya ILIGAN lang siya. And it was supposed to be estimated time for docking is 10 a.m. but it's still 9. So this ship is pretty fast. So I'm just gonna prepare myself to pack my bag and then rush. We're officially docking at port of ILIGAN City. Lagi na. Time check 9:43. It's earlier than expected, so we're already here at ILIGAN City. Yay! So I already called my cousin and he's almost there, so he's gonna pick me up here. But if so while waiting, let's go down and let's wait na lang there sa terminal. Ya. Sana ya.
Iya ya.
Bago ka na?
Patawag na
Hey guys, abot ako diri sa balay sa kuang tita diri sa bukid sa Taytay dito kalang ILIGAN City and timing day kay brownout. So kana lang isa git kalimut for now. So I'm just gonna sleep and we'll end this vlog for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love. Bye.